All right, I'm gonna replace the shift cable bushing on this. I think it's a 2005 Nissan Frontier pickup truck. I had to turn it on and see. I need to. This cable's not connected, so the bushing broke. So I'm gonna move this stuff on the brake. Move this all the way back. It was already taken apart, so now I got to turn it off. Gonna make a noise. Now here's the replacement cable, but we're not gonna use that. Let me see if I got some let's see if I got a bushing in here that'll work. Got these from the auto parts store. Let me see. I got something that'll work. Looks like I got something that'll work. Let's see, that orange one looks a little big. Not even open. Yeah. It looks close. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's a little, I don't know if you can see it, probably not. Let me see. Can I move the camera? Yeah, pull that little clip out right there. Okay, pull that little clip out. And it slides out. And yeah, we're gonna get it out now. Let's do it like that. You can't see it. Okay, let's see how this bushing, see if it'll fit in there. The tricky part is, see, it look like it'll, I got another one. Let's see. That'll go in there. Okay, let's see. Okay, I need to get a little screwdriver. Let me stop there and go get a little screwdriver. No problem. When I got some of these here, put that up there. We got some other ones. Moving all the way through. Some other ones. Okay, so it looks like this orange one's gonna, what that might do. Okay, so if take it in here. Okay, let's see how that works. So I We need to. Okay. Okay. I gotta get it inside there. See how that's gonna work. Dang. So that one's gonna be that's gonna be too bulky there. Okay, let's see. It's too long. It need to be. Okay. All right. Okay, let me get the other one that's close. I don't know if that'll work. Let's see, that one might be too big. Let's see. Yeah, that one's too big. Got an idea. I don't have. Okay, so like the orange one is the only one. Let's see, can I do it like this here then? That's out in the open. Let's see. Okay. Where is a little screwdriver? Okay. Oh, that's my bigger part right here. Okay. Now, stick this in here. See what I did. Yeah, I pressed it on the little thing. Now let's see. Let's see if it's gonna. It's coming out. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okie dokie. Stop it here, get a little bit of. Okay, I couldn't find my liquid wrench, so I'm gonna use some of this Marvel Mystery Oil. I use that for everything, not just our tools. It's a nice little lubricant thing. So put a little bit of this on there. Okay, a little bit of lube. Okay, let's see what happens. See what happens. It's a little problem. Get that kind of pop it on. Yeah, it worked. Okay. I think that worked there. Show you. Okay, so now let's see. Let's see what we got. Got a okay, now we got a cable. Just take this little clip. Little clipping back in there. Let's see what we got. Okay. All right. Let's see if it will move. Let's go that way. Okay, see if it'll move. See if it'll move. See if it'll move. Oh yeah, that worked. It works. It works. It works. Okay, so that was a good cheap way. So you can take his ship. That was 80 bucks. I just saved him 80 bucks. So I don't know if I'm going to make a video putting this console. I might make a video doing that. So I might